Oh wow, ultralight with the radio.
Oh.
The radio pala eh. Dope.
Dope. Flaps on, Ox.
Okay. Speed check. Flaps on.
Woodland traffic 1513 airborne extending upwind for traffic.
Wow, cute ultralight ah.
Okay.
So much airplane, how many airplanes today ah?
We're just 3.
Oh. Flaps 2, Ox.
Okay. Speed check. Flaps 2.
Okay, tall them turning base.
Woodland traffic, RPC 8579er, turning left base, runway 08, Woodland.
Woodland traffic 1513 is joining left downwind for runway 08. Stop and go.
Woodland traffic 8579er, turning base to final, runway 08, Woodland, full stop.
Fuel pumps on.
Right.
No, that tight turn.
Dope ah.
Dope ah. Flaps full.
Okay. Flaps full. But fast.
Slow down.
Lift in the nose, slow it down.
Yep.
Okay, it's correct now. Oh yeah. Oh. Like same landing roll lang as the 182 ah.
Flaps up pala.
Okay.
Clear the traffic. Clear the active.
Woodland traffic 8579er is clear of active. We'll be parking now.
So many lamok.
Yeah, we just landed in Woodland.
Yep.
Sup. Oh, we got
The normal weekend.
the Nets 152 taking off. Yeah.
Oh, it's gaining speed or it's gonna pull up oh.
Oh, wow. What a flex. We're just gonna have lunch.
Yep.
As usual. That is so slow naman. What's that, Dad?
Isa Hungarian.
Hungarian.
Hungarian sausage.
Looks good.
May order mo?
I'm just waiting for my bolognese. It's here. There's no one landing though.
Here.
Traffic advisory for Woodland RPC 8579er taxiing to runway 08 from the hangars, Woodland. Woodland traffic 8579er is rolling for a right turn on departure, runway 08, Woodland. Power set, engine instruments in the green.
Check.
40 knots, airspeed is arrived.